Hi, my name is Michelle Pinnon, and today we are discussing Chapter 1's Lifespan Changes, which focuses on the changes we experience from a microscopic level to the whole body level. To kick us off, what is aging? We learned that our body is the highest form of organization. We start from the simplest form of a cell and we develop organ and organ systems, eventually creating us humans. Our organ systems act jointly, therefore, a change in one affects the function of other. And as we live our lives, time passes, eventually aging us. Aging is inevitable despite claims from companies selling anti aging products. They may slow the external signs of aging, yet it does not affect our physiological process of aging. We do most of our growing during puberty. By the third decade of our lives, we start to notice the signs of aging internally and externally. Some develop wrinkles and joint pain this early. Specifically, females experience a biological change that strikes women past age 35, which signals the advanced maternal age. This event occurs when increase of cells called oocytes, which are found in our ovaries, complicate one's ability to produce offsprings with a low chance of mutated genes, then followed by menopause, ultimately halting our ability to produce children. As we approach our fourth and fifth decade, we enter a life stage where we are at most risk of adult onset disorder. A few that have listed are hypertension, heart disease, and type 2 diabetes. Anyone who has family history of any of the three disorders listed are at high risk of developing the disorder. It is heavily advised to change eating habits and lifestyle as our age progresses in order to avoid developing such disorders or alleviate the severity of the disorder. Within our sixth decade, our age puts us at risk of contracting disease. Our immunity drops. As advised by the Office of Infectious Disease, a few vaccinations are available to help the elderly fight against infectious diseases. Another factor that changes in our 60s is our metabolism. Metabolism is our body's ability to perform chemical reaction. Thus, change in metabolism not only causes weight gain, it also causes elderly people to digest certain medications slower than their younger counterparts. We age because our cells age. Looking back to cellular division, we learned that we are alive due to our cells' special ability to replicate chromosomes. We also learned that we have a vast array of cells that do different tasks, keeping us functioning efficiently. But as we age, some cells may lose the ability to pull apart replicated chromosomes. Impaired cell division slows down wound healing. In other words, we are not making enough cells. However, at the same time, aging cells may divide inexcessively, causing cancer. Since our cells combine into tissues that serve different purposes and tissues combine to make an organ, cell aging correlates to organ aging. Lipofuscin pigments found in our cells are potentially toxic protein that may affect brain functionality. Beta amyloid buildup can contribute to Alzheimer's disease. Your thyroid gland, which is part of your endocrine system, which regulates your metabolism, slower metabolism means low tolerance to cold. The average age of death in the US is 78 years old. Some people are fortunate to make it to 100 years old. These folks are referred to as centennials. The small population of centennials that never contract a disease that kills most spares their old bodies that may be too weak to fight against such diseases. The advice of eating healthy and maintaining a healthy lifestyle can also contribute to living past 100, since these habits help avoid development of disorder. Environmental factors may also affect the ability of a person to live up to 100. Yet, a striking similarity all centennials share is the trait of never having smoked.